Hi, Nick Kearsey from Gradation Properties in Torquay. Welcome to 11 St George's Way. If you've been searching for that beautiful 4-bedroom home overlooking the golf course with north-facing backyard, then you found it here. Come with me now, let's go take a look. By now you've seen what an absolutely amazing opportunity this home represents. If you've been searching for that home to live that surf coast lifestyle, we would love to help you out. If this sounds like you, please feel free to contact us on the following numbers.